Updating your payout destination on Amazon Prime is essential for ensuring you receive your payments correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Amazon website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your payout destination. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, hover over the Account and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access payment information. In Account Settings, look for the Payments or Payment Options section. Click on this option to view your current payout destination and other payment methods. Step 4. Update payout destination. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payout destination, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout destination has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on Amazon Prime. Make sure to check your payment settings periodically to ensure they remain current.